Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change brake pads on a Chevrolet Spark. First, park your Spark on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on the front wheels, but do not remove them yet. Then, carefully lift the front of the car using a jack and secure it with jack stands. This ensures your safety while working underneath the vehicle. Remember, safety is paramount when performing any automotive maintenance. Once the wheel is off, you'll see the brake caliper. Locate the two caliper guide pin bolts, usually 7mm or 9mm, and remove them. Gently slide the caliper assembly off the rotor. Do not let it hang by the brake line. Use a bungee cord or wire to support it. Now, you can easily remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. They might be a bit snug, but they should slide out. Before installing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a specialized piston compression tool for this. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Apply a thin layer of brake grease to the back of the new pads and the caliper contact points. Then, slide the new pads into the caliper bracket. Carefully reinstall the caliper over the rotor and tighten the guide pin bolts to 25 foot-pounds. With the caliper reinstalled, put the wheel back on and hand tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle and then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 80 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This pushes the caliper piston out and seats the new pads. Finally, take a short, slow test drive to ensure everything is working correctly. Listen for any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.